Hi everyone, pleasant good morning to one and all. This is K. Danuja from CSSE first year. Today we are going to debate on a chat box on WhatsApp is necessity or nuisance. We are going to debate on a chat box is necessity from our side. And here are the roll numbers are 29, 30, 31, 32 and 33. Let's start.
And our team is going to tell about AI chatbox and WhatsApp is not necessary for us. AI chatbox is not necessary for us because it's not a empathful and it will not have a human touch. Because while we are complaining about any products or our problems to the AI chatbox AI, it is making it short and giving a non.
No, I don't agree with your point because AI is very useful for nowadays young minds. It is very efficiently using by our young minds.
No, the point is actually AI could not actually understand what we're trying to say. Like the many people have different slangs or etc. That AI cannot understand what we are saying. So
No, it's
they have
actually-
such a trouble understanding.
No, actually, it's very good at understanding the user's satisfaction. It always tries to satisfy the user what it wants.
Actually, I do not agree. It actually needs a human touch. A human can understand, but how can an AI understand what we are trying to
Yeah,
say?
if you give a proper instructions, of course it will be able to understand. For
But
As you said, young minds can do that. But what about those who cannot do that? What about them?
interaction with a person to person is more efficient than interaction with AI. I don't agree for your point because AI chatbots mainly it will help for the students who are not going to colleges and schools who are staying at home and they're learning from the AI chatbox. I think they use in wrong way too.
some people who are in poor, it would be very helpful in use way. It is the way where you use it is the thing how you use it is very much important.
But people are also using during exams to cheat.
Yeah, but it is that's what I'm saying. They need to learn how to use in the right way.
Coming to your point, actually, some users have trouble, have their privacy concerns. Some have problems. Some have problems trusting the AI.
With communication.
Like communication, like they have some privacy concerns regarding it.
Nothing is like perfect, right? Everything has some flaws. AI also had some, but it is very much useful nowadays because it is being useful by young minds and students, teachers for digital learning. For students, it's being used for digital learning, and for teachers, it's making the work perfect and easy.
Because of AIs, all are losing their jobs. Means like call center, they before AI they have a nice salary and a nice streamline about the call
But
center.
because of AI, learning many things and they are getting jobs also now.
Yeah,
They are thinking more efficiently because of AI problems and because of solutions given by AI and they're learning efficiently and effectively by the AI chatbots.
Yeah, coming to our point, I do not agree actually. Teaching and education and teaching requires a human touch because a teacher can understand why what a student can understand and teach him the respective way. AI will teach everyone the same way, but teacher will understand the student's mind and teach
No, I
him.
don't agree with your point because AI also useful for the teacher to make the student to learn. As for
And not
students,
everyone can go school now, so that they should learn from the AI. Like physically disabled students cannot. They're feeling they do have separate schools.
as per students, they are not.
But they feel mentally
humiliated. They
mentally,
feel humiliation as everyone is like good and perfect.
not everybody is like that. As you said, AI can't be used by everyone.
Yeah, but what AI can be used.
You said AI can be used by everyone. Like that only humanity is there in everyone. I say nowadays it is losing and it.
Yeah, but due to lack of time, they can make the time to be
But
sustainability.
if a customer wants to talk with some problem with another person, communication is very perfect when it comes to person than when compared to AI.
Yeah, but AI can help the person to how to
Like
communicate
suppose
with
let me
others
tell you an
in a
example.
efficient way.
If we want to talk to a doctor, we say our problem directly to the doctor, so he understands our feeling and the problem inside our body. But when it comes to the AI, it only understands our problem, but not in the pain in our body.
Yeah, but there are
Saying
some
that understand the body language and see how
Feelings
unwell we
also.
are. The AI can't do that, of course.
No, why do you think
Everyone
AI
can't go
can
to
do?
hospital now, so
Yeah,
they
everyone
can
cannot afford
they can
the
know
money
just about
expenses. There
their
is some many
problem
apps
now.
like yours.
People go to hospital to meet the doctor, to consult a doctor. They share their feeling. They say how unwell they are. The AI can't do that.
No, but everyone
can't
cannot
do.
afford. Everyone cannot afford the money expenses. They're like
Because of
charging
AI, they can know just of the problem and just of their
for one surgery.
affected
They're
the
costing.
What
problem.
about the people who can't explain just the problem? They should go to the doctor's side.
Yeah,
The
they
AI
cannot
can solve the
explain.
problem.
If they cannot explain to the doctor, they can, as it is in the hand device gadget, they could able to easily explain in
They
the
can't
mobile
everything they
gadget.
can't explain to the doctor.
Yeah,
If
so
for
there are
AI,
some
they
things
they
like
can get
dermatologists.
privacy and they can everything.
Dermatologists, which they treat skin. There is an app of Cure Skin which they can treat means like the person who is not good with their skins. This Cure Skin app and many other apps, this can be useful.
I think every small business and small startup cannot afford an AI.
Yeah, but they cannot afford, but they can make in the startup to be an efficient way. They
No,
make
AI is expensive. That's the point we are saying. AI, using AI in our startups or business, only high level like Microsoft and Google can use AI, but not the small startups.
It may be expensive, but it is effective
as
and
effective in learning for any
What
people.
about the startups who don't have any funds to introduce AI to the startups?
it
They
it's
can
not
make
a
the
matter
startup.
of it's about the learning things is important.
Yeah, if they make their work with blood and soul, if they're the hard work, they can make, of course.
Conclusion is
As we go on debate, I conclude that AI in the startup is not necessary because it is shorten the our way of approaching, and it is only going on step by step process, and it is telling only what it's know, but does not understanding what is our main problem is.
From our side, we are concluding that AI chatbox is necessary, but it should have some restrictions. Thank you.
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you.
you.